Welcome to Tech New Tip. Discover the power of progress, where dangerous roads return and deep terrain full of heavy truck drivers to the limit of their bravery. Every turn of the wheel, every delicate handling phase makes intense debris. Watching suspense episode. Get ready for steel nerves, because this action promises any moment. Deep in the heart of the dense forest, disaster struck. A powerful John Deere 810D tipped over during a demanding operation, leaving workers in a tense scramble for a solution. With its massive frame lying helplessly on its side, the situation seemed hopeless. But then, in a dramatic turn of events, a second mighty machine roared to the rescue. A heavy-duty tractor arrived, chains clanking and engines roaring as it fought to pull the toppled John Deere back onto its wheels. The scene was intense, mud flying, tension rising, but against all odds, the operation was a success. The crowd held their breath as the John Deere stood upright once again. Incredibly, both the machine and its operators emerged unscathed, ready to get back to work as if nothing had happened. A massive semi-truck hauling an enormous tree found itself in a perilous situation, and what happened next was nothing short of jaw-dropping. Struggling to maintain balance on a narrow road, the truck began tilting dangerously to one side. Two brave farmers leapt into action, climbing onto one side of the truck in a desperate attempt to stabilize it. The tension was unbearable. Every second felt like an eternity as the truck teetered on the edge, but their efforts weren't enough. With a gut-wrenching creak, the truck tipped over, crashing heavily to the opposite side. Miraculously, despite the shocking accident, everyone escaped unharmed. In the heart of a frozen wilderness where snow blankets the ground and icy winds bite, an unstoppable force emerges. The Timberjack 810B, equipped with robust steel-clad tracks, this mechanical beast fearlessly takes on the treacherous forest trails that no ordinary machine could conquer. With every turn of its tracks, the Timberjack powers through deep snow and rugged terrain, hauling massive logs to the collection point. The scene is both breathtaking and intense, a relentless battle between man, machine, and the unforgiving elements of winter. Will it succeed in its mission, or will nature's icy grip prove too much? Witness the raw determination and cutting-edge engineering that transforms impossible challenges into triumphs. This is winter logging like you've never seen before. You won't believe the precision and creativity behind this incredible logging operation. High on a steep slope, a colossal log was sent tumbling down by a skilled excavator operator. But the real spectacle came next. With quick thinking and clever ingenuity, the team crafted a makeshift ramp by positioning two sturdy logs as a bridge. Then, using the excavator's immense power and surgical precision, they carefully nudged the massive timber up the ramp and onto a waiting semi-truck. Every move was calculated, every action executed with breathtaking accuracy. It's a masterclass in teamwork and resourcefulness, showcasing just how far skill and engineering can go when faced with nature's toughest challenges. Watch this astonishing feat of logging brilliance that proves no log is too big to handle. Deep in the forest, the 6F log forwarder faced an unthinkable challenge. Trapped in a pit of thick, unforgiving mud with no help in sight. Stranded and weighed down by its heavy load, the machine refused to surrender. In a jaw-dropping display of ingenuity, the operator used the forwarder's grapple to lay logs as makeshift stepping stones, creating a temporary path to claw its way out of the swampy track. Every movement was a test of precision. every log a lifeline in this brutal battle against the elements. After hours of relentless effort and sheer determination, the forwarder finally broke free. But the victory came at a cost. Precious time was lost, and the harvested logs sank deep into the mud, a heartbreaking blow for the operator. A treacherous mountain pass in China turned into a heart-pounding battleground for a trucker hauling an enormous 150-ton load. The steep incline was daunting enough, but disaster struck when a sudden technical failure occurred at a sharp hairpin turn, forcing the massive truck to reverse on the perilous slope. The tension was palpable. Every eye was glued to the driver as he faced this nerve-wracking challenge. With nerves of steel and unmatched expertise, he masterfully maneuvered the truck backward, inch by inch, before expertly revving the engine and powering his way up the near-vertical ascent. Against all odds, the driver triumphed, conquering the pass in a display of jaw-dropping skill and unshakable confidence. Deep in the heart of the wilderness, a dramatic battle unfolds. A massive timber truck, laden with a towering load of logs, finds itself trapped in a relentless sea of mud. The thick sludge clings to its wheels, refusing to let go, as if the earth itself is determined to keep its prize. But the driver isn't giving up without a fight. Enter the hero of the hour, a powerful tractor armed with heavy-duty cables, roaring to life. This isn't just a rescue, it's an epic showdown between man, machine, and nature. As the cables are secured, the tractor begins its desperate pull, straining with every ounce of its immense power. The front end of the tractor lifts dramatically off the ground, its steel frame pushed to the brink. Clouds of billowing white smoke erupt from both engines, a signal of the sheer effort being unleashed. The air is alive with tension, every second feeling like an eternity. Finally, with a deafening roar and one last mighty heave, the truck bursts free from the clutches of the muddy abyss. Victory at last. The scene is nothing short of a mechanical miracle, a testament to determination, raw power, and the unstoppable will to overcome even the toughest challenges. Amid a breathtaking snow-covered landscape, a lone operator commands a powerful tractor, cutting through the icy wilderness like a titan of industry. The machine roars as it drags massive tree trunks across the frozen ground, leaving deep, deliberate tracks in its wake. This isn't just work, it's a spectacle. The sheer size of the logs being pulled is staggering, each one a towering giant of the forest, now conquered and brought to heel. As the tractor grinds forward, snow sprays in every direction, shimmering like diamonds in the crisp, cold air. The operator, focused and fearless, handles the controls with precision, orchestrating a dance of strength and determination. The contrast is striking. The serene white blanket of snow and the relentless, raw power of the machine tearing through it. Every pull, every rumble of the engine tells a story of human triumph over nature's harshest elements. This is not just a machine in motion, it's a force of will, a testament to the relentless spirit of those who tame the wild. Who knew snow and timber could create such a thrilling spectacle? In the heart of a dense forest, a monstrous machine roars to life. A truck, unlike any you've seen before. Mounted on its back is a gigantic robotic arm, moving with precision and power, grasping massive logs as if they were mere toothpicks. This beast tears through the wilderness, clearing trees with an efficiency that seems almost unreal. But the real show begins when it tackles the terrain. Picture this, a winding path of unforgiving mud-soaked trails, where even the toughest vehicles would falter. Yet this truck surges forward, unstoppable, The bed of the truck groans under the weight of its bounty, stacked high with freshly gathered timber. As the wheels churn through the sludge, they kick up cascades of mud, coating the entire vehicle in a thick, earthy layer. By the time it emerges from the forest, the truck looks as if it's wearing a brand new suit of mud armor, a badge of honor from the treacherous journey. This isn't just a machine. It's a force of nature, built to dominate the elements and reshape the landscape. Watching it in action is nothing short of mesmerizing, a testament to human ingenuity and raw, unbridled power. Who needs superheroes when we have machines like this? In the rugged wilderness, a massive truck loaded to the brim with timber faces a grueling challenge. The road ahead isn't just steep, it's a winding gauntlet of sharp curves and narrow passes that would make even the bravest driver break a sweat. The engine growls like a beast, straining under the immense weight of the logs towering in the truck bed. Every turn feels like a gamble, with the vehicle balancing precariously between success and disaster. The tires claw desperately at the dirt road, kicking up clouds of dust as they fight for traction. Each curve reveals a new trial, a sharper bend, a steeper incline. The truck lumbers forward, refusing to back down. Every movement is a battle against gravity, every second a testament to the driver's skill and the machine's raw power. As the truck inches closer to the summit, the tension builds. Will it make it?